Hello, I'm David Capisi, CEO of Crew. During our startup phase, we were looking for a law firm to help us with our IP. When thinking about law firms, we wanted someone that was really strong in technology. And when we came across Stanton IP Law, we were really impressed. They weren't just your typical law firm, they were steeped in knowledge in tech and IP. As a leader of a software company, a lot of our value comes from our IP. We want to make sure that we protect our technology and our processes so that others can't just replicate and steal. When we met Stanton IP Law, we were really impressed because they were an entrepreneur's law firm. The first thing that I noticed that was different about Stanton IP was their business acumen. Yes, their lawyers focused on patent and tech, but they also have a strong understanding of the business perspective. They thought about what are the various approaches we could take to protect your IP and what are the cost benefits of each approach so that we don't just spend the most money, we do what is most effective for the money spent. Our main objective was to protect our IP, our brand, and our technology. Stanton IP came to us with a solution for the brand piece, which was pretty straightforward, but for the technology piece, Stanton IP educated us on the various approaches to protecting our IP, from patenting to copywriting to other approaches. Together, we were able to arrive at the best decision for Crew. What really stood out to me was Stanton IP Law's process. They leveraged technology and workflow so that we had a smooth process to gather the content and intelligence to protect our IP. It wasn't just endless emails and phone calls, it was a much more structured approach that was efficient and effective for all. Our business benefited from working with Stanton IP Law by getting the right protection for our business and doing so on a budget that was appropriate for our stage of growth.